Does your large V8 engine suddenly feel like it is violently shaking or misfiring when you are just trying to cruise down the highway? You might be facing the P3439 diagnostic trouble code, which stands for Cylinder 5 Exhaust Valve Control Circuit Low. Many modern American trucks and large sport utility vehicles use an advanced cylinder deactivation system to save gas. When you are driving under a light load, like maintaining a steady speed on the interstate, the engine computer shuts down half of the cylinders so your massive engine sips fuel like a much smaller four-cylinder car. It accomplishes this by using special variable valve timing solenoids that physically stop the exhaust valves from opening. When the computer tries to activate the solenoid for cylinder number 5 and sees an electrical voltage or resistance that drops below the normal threshold, it triggers this code. The symptoms are incredibly stressful. You will likely experience a very noticeable engine misfire, poor overall acceleration, a sudden drop in your miles per gallon, and a glaring check engine light on your dashboard. To protect itself, the computer might even completely shut off the fuel injector for cylinder 5, leaving you driving on a dead cylinder. What is causing this control circuit to fail? Surprisingly, the absolute most common cause is simply low engine oil or running with dirty sludgy oil. These precise deactivation solenoids rely heavily on clean high-pressure engine oil to push the mechanisms properly. Other frequent causes include a physically defective variable valve timing solenoid that has shorted out internally, restricted oil passages buried deep inside the engine block, chewed up wiring harnesses, or severely corroded electrical connectors. To start fixing this at home, your absolute first step must be pulling your engine oil dipstick. If your oil level is low, looks pitch black, or feels gritty between your fingers, you need to perform a complete oil and filter change immediately. Sometimes fresh, clean oil is all it takes to clear out the tiny oil passages and get the solenoid working smoothly again. Next, locate the solenoid near the exhaust manifold for cylinder 5 and carefully inspect the wiring harness for any melted spots or broken wires caused by extreme engine heat. Unplug the connector and make sure the metal pins are clean and tight. If a fresh oil change and a visual wiring inspection do not solve your misfire problem, you really need to take your vehicle to a professional mechanic. Testing the exact voltage of the control circuit requires complex wiring diagrams, and replacing the solenoid often involves tearing deep into the top of the engine. A qualified technician can safely test the electrical signals, measure your internal engine oil pressure with a mechanical gauge, and ensure your engine is not slowly destroying itself. Keep your truck well maintained, and catch you next time.